Hello, my name is Michael Weinflash, one of the account managers here at Malili, and in this video we will be going over how to propagate markups to duplicate Excel documents. Blackout can be used to propagate markups on an Excel made with Blackout to duplicate documents across the workspace. This project takes source and destination saved searches and propagates markups based on a duplicate identifier, such as an MD5 hash. Before we begin, there are two items you must have set up before running a spreadsheet propagation project: a source document saved search and a destination document saved search. The source document saved search defines the marked up documents that Blackout will use to propagate. There are a few requirements when defining the source documents. Limit the source document saved search to only Excels with Blackout markups. All source documents must have an entry for the duplicate identifier field, and the source document saved search cannot contain duplicate documents. The destination document saved search defines the unmarked up documents where Blackout will apply markups from their duplicate counterparts in the source document saved search. There are a few requirements when defining the destination documents. Do not include any documents from the source document saved search in the destination document saved search. Any documents in the destination saved search that already has markups will be skipped. Duplicates are identified solely by the selected duplicate identifier field. With those two items in mind, let's begin. To start, we're going to navigate to our Blackout tab and our Blackout Projects tab. We're going to choose Create New Project, and then choose Spreadsheet Propagation. Once here, we're going to give the project a name, and choose our duplicate identifier. In this case, we'll be sticking with the default MD5 hash. Choose our Save Search for our source documents. Choose our markup set, in this case it is the primary. Our Save Search for our destination documents, and the markup set that we wish to have these propagated to. We will then click Create. Once the project has been created, you will be taken to this screen. You can run the project by clicking the green Run button in the top right. Once ran, the project will begin processing documents. After propagation completes, a results page will be displayed. I hope this video has been of some help to you. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out to us at support@malili.com.